as you see, Atishi there leading the protest as well. Now, the march that the Aam Aadmi Party is taking out is going to be going towards the BJP headquarters, is what we're learning. My colleague Tanushka is there at the spot. Tanushka, take us to the ground situation. We do see top leaders there marching towards the BJP headquarters.
Right, so right now the crowd has dispersed. The protesters are slowly moving back into the Aam Aadmi Party office. All the senior leaders have moved back in since the protest was not allowed to go further until this point. As you can see, the Delhi police barricades, huge barricades that were put up, and a banner of that reads section 144 of the CRPC has been moved in this area, which is why the protest was not allowed to move further ahead towards the BJP headquarters. As you can see around me, there's a lot of security deployment of rapid action forces, and all the senior leaders have moved back into the party office owing to the fact that the protest march was not allowed to move forward by the Delhi police, as they said that this was illegal. They said that this protest was not sought permission for, which is why they did not allow the protesters to march forward to the BJP headquarters. So as of now, the protest has dispersed. People are still gathered outside the Aam Aadmi Party office, but most of all, the protest seems to have ended.
Right. Thank you, Tanushka, for bringing us those details. Let's quickly listen in to what Minister Atishi had to say.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी एक एक करके आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी नेताओं को जेल में डाल रहे हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें अरविंद केजरीवाल के काम से डर लगता है। वो 24 घंटे बिजली नहीं दे पाते, वो फ्री बिजली नहीं दे पाते, वो बच्चों को अच्छे स्कूल नहीं दे पाते, वो मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में अच्छा इलाज नहीं दे पाते। इसलिए वो आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, क्रश करना चाहते हैं।
क्या आगे जैसे कहा गया वहाँ पे संजय सिंह ने भी कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार नहीं करेंगे, पता चल गया, तो आप लोग ऐसे ही प्रोटेस्ट करते रहेंगे आगामी दिनों में?
देखिए, बिल्कुल आम आदमी पार्टी संघर्ष करती आई है, संघर्ष करती रहेगी।
Right, remember the Aam Aadmi Party there protesting against Bibhav Kumar's arrest. At this point, what we're learning from the ground is that because of the Delhi police's strict security arrangements and the fact that section 144 has been imposed in that particular area as well, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have retreated into their office as the protest was not allowed. But we did see that they were sitting on a dharna there for quite some time. They were protesting against the arrest of Bibhav Kumar, who is Kejriwal's aide and who has been arrested in the Swati Maliwal assault case. Now, the Swati Maliwal case, of course, has been snowballing for the last few days. We did see that several videos had come forward as well, where Swati Maliwal claimed that she was assaulted by Bibhav Kumar. The Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, saying that the videos that had come out were in fact the ones to expose Swati Maliwal's lies, as they call it. The Aam Aadmi Party also claiming that the BJP is conspiring with Swati Maliwal to bring down Arvind Kejriwal. Now, we did listen to Arvind Kejriwal earlier as well, where he did say that the BJP is conducting an operation called Jaru, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, where they're targeting Aam Aadmi Party leaders to arrest them. He also mentioned Bibhav Kumar's arrest, saying that it's a targeted attack on the Aam Aadmi Party to bring down their morale. And they in fact did say that they were going to carry out this protest in opposition to that. Listen in to what the police officers had to say.
कर रखा था और जो उन्होंने ऑफिस से बाहर निकले तो उनको हमने रोक लिया। 144 सीआरपीसी लगा हुआ है और अकॉर्डिंगली हमने उनको रोक लिया है एंड वी हैव आस्क्ड देम टू डिस्पर्स। एडिक्वेट पुलिस अरेंजमेंट्स वर इन प्लेस।